Tabbouleh is a delicious Middle Eastern salad. It's a cracked wheat. Rinse about a cup of bulgur in a strainer. You boil a pot of water and turn it off. You put the bulgur in the strainer and let it sit for about 20 minutes. Chop 8 bunches of parsley. So you take 8 plum tomatoes and chop them. First time I had tabbouleh was over at a friend's house that I went to grade school with. They are a Middle Eastern family, and that's where this recipe comes from. And it was always nice to go over to their house because his parents are very good cooks, and they always just had the best food. Now we're going to dice a medium yellow onion.
You cut yourself?
See, it's kind of doubled almost in size. You just want to get all the water out and then just sprinkle it on top. A couple of lemons. And we're going to dress it with some olive oil. And this is just kind of eyeballing. Generously seasoned with salt and pepper. Wood salad bowls are the best. I found this one at an estate sale. I use an app called estatesales.net, and it lists all of the estate sales in your area. So I would check it out. I mean, it's not like I buy like bed sheets or like clothes there usually. It's
underwear?
Like, no, not underwear. It's nice and refreshing. That's one of my favorites.